Hi, I'm Monica, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a flat tire. By now, you should be able to perform an ABC quick check, which is always a good way to eliminate opportunities for a flat to occur or catch a flat tire before you start riding. Let's talk about the tools you'll need. A tire lever, ideally two, a spare tube or a patch kit to repair the tube, a hand pump compatible with your tube valve, and if your wheels are fastened with bolts instead of a quick release, you'll need a wrench of the appropriate bolt size. Now that I've got my tools ready, let's go over the steps one by one. Step 1. Remove the wheel. My bike has a quick release, so I'll open it and twist it to get the wheel past the dropout. Once the wheel is removed, lean your bike against a stable structure or lay it on the ground, preferably grass, with the drivetrain side up. Step 2. Separate the tire from the rim to access the tube. Start with the valve at the bottom. Use a tire lever at the top to hook the bead or wire that goes around the tire. Insert the second lever about 4 inches apart from the first one. Push down simultaneously on the levers and open up a gap. I am right-handed, so I'll turn the wheel to the right and separate the tire from the rim. It may not be as easy to do this, so take your time to avoid damaging the tire. Now we have access to the tube and we'll be able to identify what caused the flat, address it, and replace the tube. Step 3. Identifying what caused the flat. It's a good idea to remove the tube so that you're left with the tube in the position of the valve. From here, we'll be able to remove the valve and pull the tube out. It's important to leave the tire in the rim so that we can locate the puncture in the tire. Here, you can inflate the tube a little bit with a pump and potentially identify the location of the puncture in the tube. And by lining up the valve with the hole for the valve, we'll be able to determine where in the tire is the culprit of the flat. Now, we can carefully inspect the tire and make sure that whatever caused the flat is no longer present. Step 4. After identifying what caused the flat and repairing it, we're ready to put in a fresh tube. Start by inserting the valve and lifting the bead of the tire over the tube. From here, we'll insert the tube with a little bit of air so that it keeps shape into the tire well. Now we don't see the tube anymore. It's firmly sitting inside the tire. From here, we'll start from the valve and reinsert the bead going around the tire. When it gets to the point where it has a gap, we'll have to take our time pulling or pushing back on the tire until we reconnect the bead to the rim. Before pumping the tube, move the tire side to side and look into the rim well to check that the tube is not being pinched by the bead. Now I can pump up the tube and reattach the wheel. Now you're ready to practice this essential skill a few times so you'll know what to do when you get a flat on your bike. I'm ready to keep rolling. See you on the trail.